Ethereum certainly is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that has a sort of present worth of $1,584.49 and a market capitalization of $190,558,287,820 wind in an unpretentious manner. Digital currencies in every practical sense have certainly lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in a significant way. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate in an unobtrusive way. Some huge speculation banks even fundamentally secure Ethereum and kind of other digital currencies as a group to, in every practical sense, safeguard their resources under administration against a running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors in a kind of significant manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ETH market that explicitly depend on the readings of our genuinely special crypto unpredictability file that in every way that really matters assists us with measuring the market opinion and all things considered. Expect where in which the market plans to go, which all things considered is very critical. At this point, the cost of Ethereum by and large is $1,584.49. While the coin as of now essentially winds up at second spot in the truly and general positioning, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The set essentially positioning for the most part is assessed based on the resource's truly present value that sort of is duplicated by its truly current market capitalization, a recipe that in every practical sense is applied all through every single monetary market, or so they by and large thought. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients in every way that really matters get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. It's likewise essential to by and large consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course, or so they really thought. On October 19, the cost of Ethereum generally was at $1,564.11 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in every way that really matters added up to 2.05%, or so they thought. 7 days prior, on October 13, ETH in a real sense was esteemed at $1,539.31. And that intends that from that point forward, the cost by and large has in every practical sense varied by 0% in an unobtrusive way. A month prior, on September 20, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,643.41. Hence, the coin fundamentally has made a 3.59% move to arrive at its genuinely present standings. The examination of market capitalization for the most part conveys certainly equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, which truly is very critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology essentially is utilized to truly decide the very by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which really is very huge. Changes in market capitalization sort of sure or truly negative are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could especially be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both sort of short and long haul points of view, or so they truly thought. This in every way that really matters, specific measurement in a real sense is likewise used to check the strength of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. To generally decide the really current market capitalization of ETH, we in a real sense duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will by and large be generally made sense of later by the fundamentally present worth of the digital money under survey in an unpretentious manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum by and large stands at $190,558,287,820 win, which frames the reason for kind of present pretty positioning really was referenced before, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on October 19, ETH explicitly had a market capitalization of $188,103,494,348, which is genuinely critical. Keep going week, on October 13, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $185,107,167,429 in a kind of significant manner. A month prior, on September 20, the market worth of Ethereum most certainly was evaluated to especially be $197,580,045,767 in an unpretentious manner. Complete stockpile considers the quantity of coins that truly have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, showing how Ethereum is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that truly has a current worth of $1,584.49 and a market capitalization of $190,558,287,820 in an especially significant manner. These digital currencies can explicitly be utilized either for genuinely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, or so they thought. This by and large measurement likewise calculates the coins that generally have been transitioned away from through the interaction called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the exceptionally all-out supply of Ethereum in every way that really matters is laid out at 120,264,972 ETH in a fundamentally large manner. In conclusion, the circling supply sort of is utilized to especially ascertain the market capitalization and really evaluate the coin's sort of current remaining in the positions, which is very critical. It signifies the by and large generally speaking measure of ETH that for the most part is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly essentially put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, showing how 7 days prior, on October 13, ETH was esteemed at $1,539.31, which in a real sense truly intends that from that point forward. The cost especially has vacillated by 0% in a kind of huge manner. It's by and large in a real sense accepted that digital currencies that by and large have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million really are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they are generally prone to explicitly see the value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe. Conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Ethereum certainly has a coursing supply of 120,264,972 coins, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $5,240,348,386 in a for the most part enormous manner. Yesterday, on October 19, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame basically remained at $4,358,617,620, which is very huge. 7 days prior, on October 13, how much ETH that most certainly was traded between market members fundamentally was assessed at $4,999,245,263, which in a real sense is very huge. Presently explicitly comes an opportunity to explicitly make sense of exhaustively the substance of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to essentially predict the way that Ethereum will for the most part follow over the genuinely next 1 to 5 years, or so they explicitly thought. CVIX sort of is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming engineers that surfaced with a by and large exceptional recipe for checking and